How to use Bybit Grid Bots, quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a Bybit tutorial on how to use Bybit Grid Bots to do trading and automate your work. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to bybit.com and you will land on this platform right here. Bybit is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. It has a lot of different options for us, and we also get trading bots on Bybit that help us save time and we can automate our trading. This way, we will be able to create a bot of our own, and I'll show you how to do that. We will be focusing on Bybit Grid Bots today, and I'll show you how it works. Let's get into it. First, once you get to bybit.com, you require an account, so you need to sign up with your email address or your Google account. Once you sign up, then you will get this dashboard here. You can see we have different options. We have buy crypto, where we have one click buy, P2P trading, fight deposit, crypto deposit. In the marketplace, we get market overview, market data launch, and leaderboard. In the market, we actually can find almost all the coins out there, all the perpetuals and trading options. In trade, we have spot trading, margin trading, leverage token, and this is where we will be working on. Smart trade made easy, trading bots. Then we have launchpad and buy votes. Derivatives, in derivatives, we have different perpetuals. We have copy trading, which is a new option available on Bybit. In Earn, we are getting liquidity mining, dual assets, and Bybit savings, and then there is also an NFT marketplace. To get started with the bots, you have to go to the trade option and then click on trading bots. It will take you to bybit.com/trading bots. You can see right here, smart trade made easy. If you have no idea what a bot is, well, in simple words, it's like automating your trading for you. We create a bot, for example, a spot grid bot, in which we create a automation and we tell our bot that buy on low and sell on high prices, and it does it automatically every time throughout the day. So this is how we can save our time and automate our work and just sit back and relax. Before we continue with the video, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and using bots involve a high degree of risk, or whether you can afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand trading and you understand crypto, trading bots, and you can get started with the platform. This is a beginner's tutorial for you guys to show you how Bybit helps you with trading and how you can use Bybit trading bots. That being said, let's continue. In our trading bot, you can see we have the famous bots available, such as Spot Grid Bot, and then we have DCA bot. What Spot Grid Bot does is buy low and sell high automatically, ideal for sideways market. Then we have a DCA bot, invest on autopilot regardless of market condition, suitable in bull and bear market. Keep that in mind. So we have up to APR is given. I'm gonna go with this one, Spot Grid Bot. To create a board, you will click on create now. What we are looking here is leaderboard, daily ranking, 7-day ranking, and 24-hour arbitrage ranking, and this is for the bots, and I'll show you what this means. We have different users here, and you can actually check a leaderboard, like what's the ranking of different users. To create the board, this one, Spot Grid, click on create now. So it will take you right here, create spot grid bot. We just have to enter all the details. Here is a quick guide. Select the spot pair, enter the grid parameters, make your investment, and start earning. First of all, select the pair. Click here and it will open up the drop down for you, and you have to select a pair. All of the pairs are available. We have Solana USDT, Matic USDT, San USDT. Then we have AVI, Sushi, Doji. Then we have Ethereum, Bitcoin. So I'm going to go with BTC and USDT. You can see this is the price right now. This is the percentage, and I have selected this pair. Price range. Now this is the range that we need to add and tell our bot that this is the lowest and this is the highest we want to go for. Lower price. So the lower price, I will be going with 1,000. The lower price must be 5,000 and the highest can be this. Okay. So they're actually telling me the lowest price can be 5. So I'm just going to go with the lowest one. Let's go with just 7. Now we have upper price. So the upper price limit is going to be 22,000. If you want to autofill, if you're confused in this, you can just autofill. Click on autofill and it will autofill it for you quickly. And this is the number of grids that you will be getting. So I have like autofill this for you to show you. We have price range. I have entered it. Then we have highest. Number of grid is going to be 34. But if you want to decrease it, you can. But you will notice that the profit and the grids percentage will also decrease. So I have selected number of grids 34. Interval. Interval is 159.95 USDT. And also keep in mind the values I'm showing you here, these are at the time of making this video. They may vary when you are checking out Bybit. Then we have total investment. Now this is where you will enter your investment that you want to add. I'm going to go with, let's go with 1,000 USDT. It also depends on your wallet, of course, if you have the fund. So you will just enter the amount here. The minimum total investment that you can do here is 200. It also depends on your coin. Transferable spot 0 USDT. Now we also have advanced options. In advanced, we have entry price, stop loss price, take profit price. So if you really want to get deep into it, if you want to add more to your boat and you want to avail more from your boat, you want to get more and more profit, then you can enter these details too. These are advanced options available on Bybit. You can enter an entry price, stop loss price, whatever you want to add, take profit price. Make sure it should be according to the parameters that you have added. So once your investment is done, click on create now and your boat will be created on Bybit and you will have a sport grid boat. This way you will be able to automate your work, and what will happen is now my boat will actually buy and sell automatically. It buys on the lowest and sells on the highest, so it gives you maximum profit. And it is completely secure if you're wondering if this method is secure or not, and is very efficient too. So you can go ahead and create a sport grid board like this. So this is for sport trading. It's really easy to use. Bybit is actually a really easy to use platform, and that's what I really like about it, and it does not complicate things for us. Make sure that you have funds in your wallet once you get started with the investment. Of course, you can connect any kind of wallet to your Bybit. There's another boat which is the DCA boat, invest in autopilot regardless. So let me actually show you this one too. One more thing, there is 0 fees with sport grid bot. This is actually really good. There is 0 fee. This one, click on create now again and it'll take you to the window where we can create a boat. The method is going to be select the currency and then you have to choose the cryptocurrencies you wish to invest in, set the investment frequency and start auto investing. So this is for the DCA. You can see currency. Frequency, gonna go with USDC, select the cryptocurrency, and we can go with maybe 2 Bitcoin, add crypto, investment frequency, select the day, maybe 1 week, and then we have transferable spot, estimated account, click on create now, and your boat will be created. And this board will help you with the investment. It's also really easy to use. So these are the sport grid boards available on Bybit. You can also create board of your own, and you can also copy what other users are doing. So you can actually go with the top one and copy what they did, and it will also help you earn maximum profit. But this is how you can use Bybit trading boards on bybit.com. Smart trading made easy. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.